Hi, everybody, and welcome to Know What You're Talking About. Today, what we're talking about is Topic 7, DQ1. So here it is up on the screen. How does the Federal Open Market Committee increase the money supply, and why might the Federal Open Market Committee choose to increase the money supply? Good questions, right? Could be complicated, but maybe not. Let's take a look at the rubric and see exactly what's going to be required. So you'll find the rubric right here, first post under DQ1. Click it open, and here's our rubric. Point 1, explain how the Federal Open Market Committee increases the money supply, worth 3 points. Point 2, discuss why the Federal Open Market Committee might choose to increase the money supply, worth 2 points. Seems a lot simpler now, doesn't it? Just 2 things to consider. So let's go to the textbook and see what it has to say. So I'm clicking over to MindTap now, and I'm going to Chapter 7. This week we only have 1 chapter to cover. That's a nice luxury. So I click open our chapter, and then I click open the chapter of the textbook and wait for it to load. And here it is. I have turned already to section 21-2B. It's titled the Federal Open Market Committee. And this section of the textbook gives you everything you would possibly need to know to answer that DQ. It tells you what the Open Market Committee is. It tells you what they do. It tells you how they do it. It tells you a little bit about why they do it. In theory, if you read just this section of the textbook, just 21-2B, you could answer DQ1 very well. But don't do that. That would be a mistake, and here's why. Section 21-2B is part of a much broader discussion of the Federal Reserve in general, what monetary policy is, what the Federal Reserve is, how the Federal Reserve regulates monetary policy, how they regulate the money supply, why it matters. All of that is included in this entire chapter. And if you only look at this section of the chapter, it's going to be hard to make sense of it. It's only in that broader context that it begins to become more clear. So if you want to really understand it, read the whole chapter. If you just need to get through DQ1, this is your place, 21-2B. So I appreciate you coming here for Know What You're Talking About, and I look forward to reading your answers. Thanks so much.